How's it, everybody? All the best for the new year. I'm currently in Mossel Bay, still on holiday here, and I thought I'd come and check out the new Zipline that they have just installed here. I believe this is the second cable they put up. The first one got damaged on a rock while installing it. There's been a couple of claims that this is the longest zipline in the world. That's not accurate at all, or even close. The longest zipline currently is in Dubai at 2.7 kilometers. This one is around 1.1 or 1.2 kilometers. I think the claim to fame is that it's the longest one over the ocean. So the starting point is going to be behind me right about there, and I will show you a bit more about it now. Just a bit of a walk to get up there. So this is the launching platform behind me here. I believe you will be strapped into some type of harness, whether you're going to be sitting or lying, I'm not 100% sure yet. But you won't be hanging from your hands, don't worry. It's quite a long way to go, so you won't be able to hold on for that long. And you are aiming for that area down there. It's quite far. Just to the right of a building down there is where you are going to be landing. So the prices I've seen online at the moment is around 450 Rand per ride, which seems pretty reasonable to me, considering that some of the other prices for the Sun City Zipline, for instance, is around 950 Rand. The Storm Saphir Zipline with a bungee jump is 1,350 Rand, and a tandem skydive right here in Mossel Bay will set you back 3,300 Rand. So yeah, this should be fun. You're probably only gonna do it once in anyway. So yeah, so far it looks pretty good. Yeah, going down with the zipline is going to be a lot faster than walking down here. Okay, so that's the landing pad behind me here. I believe they're still going to do a couple of weight tests to get the line ready before it opens. So yeah, can't wait for that. I have to come and try it out. Cheers.